Question 19 is 3 marks. Functions. The functions f and g are such that f of x is this, g of x is that. Part A says find g of 3. Since it's g, avoid using this because this is not g, this is f. So it's g, you use this function here. What g of 3 means? G of 3 means every x here, replace it with 3. So this x here, I'll just replace it with 3. And this x here, I will replace it with 3. That's how you should do it. Now, let's write it. Let's just zoom in. Now, g of 3 is going to be, instead of x, we write 3 over 2x is 2, and then the x replace it by 3. It will be 23 minus 1, right? No. Many students do this mistake. When you replace, you don't just write it like this. No. 2x means 2 times x. So, when you replace the x by 3, you do 2 times 3. Do you get me? Now, that's equals to 3 divided by 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. That's your beautiful answer for this question. Now let's look at the next part. Find g f of x. G f of x. Many students find this difficult. Look at this. When the question was g of 3 in the previous question, in the previous part, what did we do? We replaced every x with 3, right? Now it's g f of x. You replace every x in g by f of x. What's that means? Let me show you. You come back here to g. You see this x here? You replace it with f of x, which is this. You see this x here? You replace it with this. So let's just write it up here so that we can see both of them here. So the question wants us to find g f of x, right? So what I will do, I'll focus on g. I'll first replace this x with f of x, which is this value. So instead of x, I write 3x minus 2. Divide by 2. And I replace this x again by the value of f. So it's 3. And I'll open brackets, I write 3x minus 2. And then minus 1. This one here. Now we just simplify. So that equals 3. Oh gosh. Let's write it again. 3x minus 2 divided by, expand these brackets. So 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times 2 is 4. And then the 2 is not multiplied by the 1, so I'll just write the 1. So this equals 3x minus 2 divided by 6x minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. They say write it in the simplest form. Do you think we can do anything here? We can't. So this is the simplest